Hello and welcome to the Quick Fix Cooks. Today we'll be making dal makhani which serves for dhaba style and without any cream. So let's get started. For this we will take 1 cup of whole urad dal, black urad dal, half a cup of rajma, preferably red. Soak it for 6 to 8 hours. If you can soak it overnight, it will be better. After soaking it, rub the dal lightly with your fingers to take out the blackish liquid. After that, you discard the liquid, add fresh water and pressure cook the dal for 6 to 8 whistles or till done. Place a kadai on medium heat. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. The oil is added so that the butter does not burn. Melt the butter a little. Now add 1 or 2 green chilies crushed and chopped, ginger crushed and chopped, garlic crushed and chopped, and saute it well. But see that they do not brown or burn. Saute for a minute. Now add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri mirch powder. This will give it a good color. Saute well. Now we will add the puree of 2 fresh tomatoes and half a cup of ready-made tomato puree. If you do not want to add the ready-made tomato puree, just take an extra fresh tomato. So you will be adding 3 pureed tomatoes. Now stir and simmer for 1 or 2 minutes. Now we will add the cooked dal. And as you will see that the dal is very thick. To adjust the consistency, we'll be adding a little water. Now mix it well. The dal and the tomatoes should be mixed well. If you find that the dal is too thick, you can add a little more water. Give it a good stir and simmer for some time. Now add salt. Here I've added approximately 1.5 teaspoon of salt. But we should take into consideration that the butter that we have used is also salty. Mix it well. Now we want a smooth texture to our dal makhani. For this, we will mash the dal a little till we get a smooth consistency. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of butter. This will give it a buttery taste and a smooth texture. We will also add the last ingredient go in, and that is the kasuri methi, which will give it a very nice flavor. Mix all the ingredients well and then we will allow it to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, giving a stir occasionally. After simmering for 15 to 20 minutes, you will see that the dal has thickened quite a bit. The color is also very nice. To adjust the consistency, we'll add about half a cup of water and we'll adjust the seasoning also. At this point, you can taste your dal makhani, and if you find it is too sour, you can add half a teaspoon of sugar to balance it out. Give it a quick stir and your dal makhani is ready to serve. It tastes very nice with rotis, naans, kulchas or even plain rice. If you have liked this recipe, please like and share this video. Leave us a comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more such yummy delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.